Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the WAP website. I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you set up your payment or pricing process on your WAP. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up WAP on your web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your profile. And now from the home page of WAP down here, make sure to navigate onto your WAP's dashboard. On the left hand side, you can see the finances, the marketing, the settings. The one that you'll look for is the checkout link or the essentially right here. It's down here for me. So create a checkout link. So for the store, select the one that you are using right now, and now the pricing system. So is it one time? Is it recurring or is it free? For example, if it's recurring, you can send the subscription price to 100 and subscription period you can select for yourself the initial fee if you need it, details, so if you have a trial or not, and as well for the stock, if it's unlimited just click on this one and it will be set to unlimited. Split pay, internal name, redirect URL, these are all the options that you can choose for your pricing if you need it. And for the payment options, you can click on card. If you're available for PayPal, you can also select that one. And now click on create, and that's it. You just set up your pricing options. You can set up your payouts now if you'd like. If you're not, you can do it later. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.